Hello everybody, Lone Wolf Rick here, and today I'm on Tropicana Avenue. Take a look back down the strip there, just outside of New York, New York. And I thought we'd take a look up here at the road construction. See how they're progressing here. Wait. Hope everybody's having a great day today. I know I've mentioned this in another video. It's like, but road construction in Las Vegas, it's like, does not move real fast. Now I know this was a major project because they redid that flyover up there, but still, I've seen road projects like here in Vegas, it's like that have lasted up to 5 years, or it's just slow going. But the original revised plans, let's put it that way, this was supposed to be done this spring, to where all these sections would be open. Now this side over here, I think it's more or less pretty ready. And if you're driving southbound on I-15, you can exit onto Tropicana. If you're driving northbound from the other side, it's still closed. I've seen people get really confused. It's like driving through this, almost like a maze, you know? Take a look back over here at T-Mobile Arena. this little side road right here is Frank Sinatra Drive. Right behind the casinos. Got a little service road. Look back the other way, you can see oh, kind of the top anyway of Allegiant Stadium. It looks like danger waiting to happen, huh? Even walking through here, oh, it's almost like a maze. Now see, you can exit, you can get on an exit, it's like at this point here. So if you're on Tropicana, you can't get off and go onto this I-15 northbound. It's just the other side has not opened up yet. I'm surprised they don't have that walk light open. So there's literally a ton of cars here coming this way. I can tell you from right here, I can smell those In-N-Out burgers from over there. I was gonna go, but the guy kind of jumped the line there. See, they got the walk light here. Take a look at City Center down there, the Aria and Vidara, the Cosmopolitan, and the Park MGM, and the Waldorf Astoria right there. It kind of looks like maybe they're getting close. They don't have all of the see, all the equipment's been kind of moved over here. Because when they were tearing everything out, it's like all the equipment was over there, you know, once they got finished with this side. So hopefully it's getting close. heard that yeah, with this road and with Tropicana being all tore up and everything, really affected those businesses like all through here. All those fast food places, and even a few hotels that are over here. You know, people just didn't want to fight the aggravation, you know. So you get that Marriott sitting right here, but then like I said, you've got all down the way, it's like you got all those fast food places. People just couldn't get to. See that ramp over there? It looks finished. They finally got it paved up. But you can kind of tell, I mean, it's still they're a real cluster. Impatient people. I think it's about my turn. Oh, maybe sorta. There we go. You know, if you ever come down here where this In-N-Out Burger is, this building right next to the In-N-Out Burger is actually a store, like a souvenir store. So you can buy all kinds of In-N-Out merchandise and t-shirts or stuff like that. I'm not sure how many of those stores they actually have, but this one right here is the only one I've ever seen. I mean, it's this mess here is farther along than when the last time I was down here, but you can still tell they've still got work to go. It's still kind of, traffic gets backed up and still kind of a work in progress. Alright everybody, I'm Lone Wolf Rick. Thank you very much for joining me, everybody. I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate y'all joining me. Hopefully the next time I walk this way, this will all be completely done. Hey, take care of yourselves, okay? Please stay healthy. I will see you on the next video. Hey, bye-bye, everybody.